Garrett is part of Honeywell. We're a large corporation, but with that we have access to engineers all over the world. So we have over 1,000 engineers. We started being very involved with the performance side a couple years ago here in the US, and we do have a line of performance turbochargers here. But now you're seeing more and more pass car turbos, and we're seeing a great growth in the US of the new passenger car vehicles with turbochargers on them. We're seeing more vehicles with turbochargers on them because OEs are looking for a way to decrease emissions, increase fuel economy, while still giving the consumer that drivability that they enjoy. Car people that really have that excitement about a V8, the deep sound, are also getting excited about these smaller displacement engines. The new Ford Mustang has our turbochargers on it, and that's a fun car to drive. The difference between twin turbos and single turbos is all in the packaging and the ability for the OE to make that engine work with the turbocharger that needs to go on. So it could be twin, it could be single, but it all has to do with the design. At Honeywell, how we design and develop new products is we go way back into product engineering, where they may come up with a new concept, and then as they refine that concept, it gets to the application engineers. They'll start working with the OE teams on a clean sheet of paper on how we can apply those technologies to improve the next generation of engines that are coming out. So when new engines are being discussed and developed, it will be very early in the process that will be brought in. We'll go through a concept discussion, and then it'll go through a bidding process. And while you're going through that, you're having discussions between the two and exchanging ideas and looking at how we can adapt our technology for the new engine that they'll be coming out with. What's new coming from Garrett, Honeywell Turbo Technologies, is that we've got new turbochargers that will incorporate ball bearing designs with variable geometry. So you're getting the high temperature materials with a very fast spooling rotor group. The benefit to a faster spooling rotor group is that you're going to have less turbo lag. These aren't the turbochargers of the 80s, where you had to have your vehicle come up to boost before you're even moving it, and then once you shut it down, you had to let it idle for a while so that you have a safe shutdown of the turbochargers. This is going to be a vehicle you're going to drive like you would a naturally aspirated engine. People can find out more information about Garrett by going to garrett.honeywell.com. We've got great videos about turbo installation on your vehicle. If you're service replacing it, you can learn about that. We also have videos explaining the variable nozzle technology, our dual boost, and there's a lot of information there for the end consumer to learn.